And we're rolling.
Nice remote.
Thank you. So, how and when did we meet?
We met in 5th grade, I think. Oh no.
No.
Maybe middle school?
No.
High school?
Yes, high school. You were a freshman and I was a sophomore, and we met in study hall, second period.
Oh yeah, that's right.
What's your favorite memory together? We've had a bunch.
Yeah, we had a whole bunch. Hard to pick one.
Like the time when you're eating dessert and you got the cream up, you know? A lot of good times.
Yes. Mostly got one summer when we took pictures.
Oh yeah, that was really fun. Describe each other in one word.
Amazing.
I agree. What's your dream job? For you, I'd say to be like the computer genius of the world.
Thank you.
You're
And for
welcome.
you, I think teaching would be.
Yeah.
You are good with kids and they would love having you.
Thank you. What's your favorite electronic brand?
Mine probably Dell,
Yeah.
just because I have more exposure to it and stuff.
I like the Apple products, like the iPod.
Max.
Well, not the Macs, but like the iPod and the iPhone and the iPad. I like
True.
those. But I'm more of a PC person when it comes to like a laptop or a desktop. What is something that annoys you about the other person?
Nothing.
Yeah, we get along very well. If you could go anywhere in the world together, where would it be and why?
Maybe to Florida and Alabama.
Yeah, I could show you around Florida and you could show me around Alabama.
Yes, and then go down memory lane.
Yeah. Let's see. Favorite inside joke?
The cream on my nose.
I'd say like we have a type of friendship where we know what the other person's thinking. So if there's like a third person in the room and they're kind of annoying, we can just look at each other and we just like know like
Yes,
what the other's
exactly.
thinking. Who takes longer to get ready in the morning? Who takes longer to get ready in the morning?
Don't know.
Probably me.
It take me about 30 minutes.
Yeah, depending on what I have to do, 30 minutes to an hour. Favorite season?
Summer,
All the fun in the pool.
summer and spring.
I like summer and winter. Cause I like it when it snows and we can go like snow tubing.
True.
That's always fun. Favorite song? There's like so many good songs out there.
Yeah. There are too many for me to choose my favorite song. Just on the way here,
Yeah.
I was listening to a 50s song. A Letter from an Angel.
I would say like anything pop or country is good.
Yeah, country too, so we got that in
Yeah.
common.
What's it like being best friends with someone who's obsessed with YouTube?
It's good, we get to see what each other doing.
Yeah, we get to like keep in touch when we're busy.
Yes, exactly.
Alright, so this one I had to adapt. So for me, do you think I'd wear heels or flats?
Flat and sometimes heels.
Yep. And then for you, I put dress shoes or sneakers. I see you more as a sneaker kind of guy.
Yeah,
The
the dress shoes are too tight on my feet.
So do you think I would prefer pants or dresses?
Pants.
And I think you would prefer like jeans over dressy pants.
True. Well, I did got flammable today.
Yeah.
So
Favorite animal?
cat, dogs,
Cats are the best.
yeah.
If your house was burning down and your entire family was sure to be okay, what is something you would save and why?
My computer.
Yeah, the computer and the video camera.
Because that you can't replace.
No, especially if you have like a bunch of stuff on it. So comedy, horror, or chick flick?
I'd say chick flick.
Yeah,
I'm that kind of guy.
I like a good laugh. Or maybe
Yeah.
like a romantic comedy. Those are
Yeah,
good.
exactly.
Blackberry or iPhone?
iPhone.
Yeah, iPhone for sure. Favorite movie? That's another tough question.
Mine probably,
I think you can't go wrong with anything that's
Yeah,
Disney
exactly.
animated. But aside from a movie like that, it's hard to choose.
yeah, I know so many, I just can't pick one right now.
Like sometimes a certain movie is like your favorite and you watch it over and over again and then you like switch to another one.
Yeah. By the same actor,
Yeah.
if you got Netflix.
I actually have Netflix on my laptop, but I don't have an account. I'm thinking about getting one. But I know that you know how to turn my TV into a PC and how to hook up the laptop to the TV, and then we can watch things that way.
Yeah, we could.
So, it's something we can do. Alright, what is something weird that you eat? Do we eat anything weird?
I don't think so.
No.
Sometimes I do, but
When I was little, I used to like make weird things and eat it, but
yeah, exactly.
not anymore.
I do it sometimes.
Yeah. Do you guys have anything matching?
Sometimes we match colors.
Yeah.
Ashley was thinking you will be wearing something pink today, so that's why I wore purple.
Yeah. Actually, I had camouflage on yesterday.
Oh, we do have something that matched then in this summertime. I got something that matched with it.
Yeah.
It goes short sleeves.
Almost like a tank top, but sleeveless.
Okay.
But we kind of have similar shaped eyeglasses when you wear yours.
Yeah.
Just different color. What's your favorite TV show?
Which one of us we should put on film?
We have a few that we watch together.
Yes.
We like My Babysitter's a Vampire. We enjoyed that one.
Yeah, that will be the one I picked too, beside Vampire Diaries.
I mean, I have a favorite show, and I got it on the series on DVD season 1 and 2 to introduce you to it. You may like it, you may not.
Yeah.
So, anything else you want to add?
Nope.
Alrighty, well, there's our questions.